Hi everyone, welcome to BIM. In this video, we'll discuss about different kind of softwares in BIM field and which software we should learn on priority and why we should use that software. So first of all, I'll tell you the most used softwares in BIM environment right now. So if I'll show you all these softwares, like if start from Revit, Revit2, Navisworks, Archicad, all those kind of softwares we are using in BIM field as of now. There are some of the softwares that we are using, but those are not in this list. Apologies for that one. But yes, the 90% softwares that we are using, those are these ones. Okay, but why we should prefer any particular software? There's one reason. First of all, we cannot learn all those softwares at a time. If you are learning all those softwares, that's very good, but you cannot use all those softwares in your professional journey, because you should be working on one, two, three, four softwares at a time, maximum four to five softwares. Then why you should learn 20 or 15 softwares? Okay, that is not the useful way. So, yeah, definitely you should have the knowledge and the user interface of particular software, what is the purpose of the software, those kind of things you should know. But you should have perfection, you should have what we can say excellence in some softwares. Those are very important in BIM field, and what are those softwares we'll discuss in this video. So we should go with Revit on priority. Why Revit? I'll show you. So if I'll go in web browser, let me show you why I'm saying that Revit is the most used and most important, what we can say, software if you are coming in BIM field, or if you wanted to go in design as well. But you should know about the user interface of Revit. Why? There are a couple of points of that one. Right now, it gives a 3D modeling feature with accuracy and precision. That is very important if you are designing something, if you are modeling something, because we need to take care about of the precision, the dimensions, things that we are modeling. Secondly, automatically updates the floor plan elevation. Why this is? Because if you have used Ecosim, Open Building Designer, then in that one we need to separately create the floor plans, elevation, those kind of things. So Revit automatically creates the floor plans, those kind of things. We just model it and then drag it on the sheets. That's very simple and very easy thing in Revit. Now, if I'll come on, sorry, if I'll come on the Revit handle routine and repetitive task. Yeah, definitely. If you know about Dynamo, then Revit has introduced, Autodesk has introduced the Dynamo, which right now comes with Revit itself. Like we do not need to install that one separately. If you are going with Revit 2020 and more than that, it is coming with Dynamo itself. So that is very good feature. It gives us the automation advantage as well if you are going with repetitive tasks. If you will compare the same thing with the AutoCAD, those kind of softwares, you have to do the same task manually. That is not the good thing as of now. Okay, if I'll come the below as well, the collaborate access across the teams. Like, yeah, we all know that Revit collaborates with BIM 360 environment. That's a very good feature. It can bring all the architectural engineering, all those structural engineering, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, interior design. If you're working in kitchen as well, we can and build in this one. So all the package will be combined in a single service. If you are architect, you can use Revit. If you are structure guy, you can use Revit. If you are mechanical guy, you can use. If you are electrical guy, you can use. If you are plumbing guy, fire protection guy, if you are interior design guy, or if you are kitchen and laundry part of design, the, there are a lot of features as well. Like if I'll come about format thing, format is also right there. If you are going for conceptual designing stage, especially if you are architect, then you can use that feature. If you are MEP guy as well, you can use the conceptual design feature of Revit that comes in format. Okay, if I'll come about if I'll do about the more things about Revit, then fabrication part is also right there in Revit. If you are doing your construction thing and if you are going for the fabrication part, Revit gives you the fabrication feature as well. Now, if I'll go below than that, yeah, uh, suppose if you learned Revit, then what is the next one? I prefer you go with the AutoCAD. Why AutoCAD? Because AutoCAD is the most accurate software as of now, more than Revit itself. So why we should not learn AutoCAD on priority? Why we should learn Revit on priority? Because AutoCAD gives you 2D accuracy. I'll not prefer to go with 3D in AutoCAD. Okay, and why 2D as well? Because in AutoCAD actually this is the main software that what you can say that allows you to go with any another software. Okay, how? Like you have, if you are working in Ecosim, okay, if you are working or somebody is working on Ecosim, but you are working on AutoCAD, then you can directly link your or directly open that particular DZN file from Ecosim in CAD file. You cannot open DZN file in Revit. Okay. Similarly, there are a lot of softwares that you can directly open their files in AutoCAD format, and you can link that CAD file into Revit. So AutoCAD is, intermediate software and also collaborates with different kind of softwares. And why Civil 3D? I have discussed about architecture, structure, ID, MEP, those kind of services if you're working on. But suppose if you're working on landscape areas or highways or utilities, then you should prefer Civil 3D. That is very commonly used in BIM environment. Okay, you should not learn Revit in that case if you are highway guys, if you are utility guy or landscape guy, kind of, if I'll say. So you should prefer Civil 3D in terms of priority thing. Okay, you should not go with Revit. Now the Navisworks. Navisworks is mostly important if you are uh, properly what I can say a modeler or an engineer as well, because Navisworks gives you the feature of reviewing or visualizing what you are doing. Okay, and it also helps you to run the clashes. Where are the clashes? You can review the model, and there are a lot, couple of features are right there of Navisworks. We have covered this software in our previous videos. You can check those out. InfraWorks definitely, as a name suggests, for infra things below the ground services, like those can be cable containment. Those are will be connected with the building, but it should be underground. It can be utility pipes. It can be whatever services that comes underground, that will go with InfraWorks. Recap Pro. Recap is very good software if you're working on as-built projects. As-built projects, I guess you know, but if you do not know, I'll tell you. Sometimes what happens, like suppose one building we have created in 2000, okay, it has completed in 2003, and now it has demolished, or it has what we can say destructed by someone or something like that. It has destructed in 2008, okay, but right now it is 2022. Then that particular guy wants to renovate that particular building. Instead of creating a new project, the building is already right there, and at the time when you were working on that project, there are two or three ways you can what you can say, you can create a laser uh, scanning project from that one, that called as uh, what we can say a 3D model of that particular project that we have created virtually at that moment when we were creating that project. Okay, or if you did not do that thing, you have the PDF or sketches of that particular building's layout that we will use in 2022. If you have done the laser kind of, I'm not remembering the actual name of that one, but it should be laser scanning kind of thing, and that model will be comes in recap, that we can review that whole building in a virtual thing, and we can see that previously how building was looking like, and then on that basis we can renovate that particular building. So Recap Pro is very good software, and it's very small software. You can learn in 1 day or 2 day only, and you can get your efficiency on that one. That's very good software. So these are the software those you should or you must learn if you are coming in BIM field. You'll get uh, the advantage, the most commonly used software in BIM field. So that's all about this video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.